WAGO TOPJOB S2216-803X and 2016-803X power distribution terminal blocks simplify high current power distribution and support higher density panel layouts in HVAC, wastewater, smart factory, and other high current applications. The 1x6 power distribution blocks, or PDBs, feature a 4AWG input, enabling a current rating up to 70 amps at 600 volts. The inputs and outputs use WAGO push-in cage clamp spring-loaded terminals for fast installation and have molded conductor entry markings for easy identification. The PDBs offer a compact DIN rail footprint at just ½ an inch per block to maximize enclosure space. They also have integrated end plates to help reduce panel complexity and simplify integration. The PDBs have a touch-safe design for enhanced safety, plus built-in test ports for easier troubleshooting. They're UL 1059 certified and offered in multiple color variations for easy differentiation in applications with multiple PDBs, with the 2216 series having a push-button wire release.